So let's now have an overview of the Postman. So let's just talk about different features and UI of the Postman. So this is a web version of the Postman. So we're on the website. So either we can install this application or we can use the web version. So both of them have the same UI. For convenience, we're gonna use the web version in this tutorial. So this is the home UI of Postman. So here you can see we have this header, we have this sidebar. So first of all, let's take a look at the header. So first of all, we have this home. So we're currently on the home page, and then we have this workspaces, and then API networks, and after that we have this search bar. So here we can search across all of Postman. So we can search for any value. We can search for the all of Postman, or we can search for any workspace, collection, request, APIs, flows, and teams. So we have to click on that, and we can search specific to that category. And after that we have this settings button, so we can access and modify the settings. And after that we have these notifications. Then here we have this manage accounts. So from here we can log in to the Postman, we can sign out, we can add multiple accounts and switch between them. And after this we have this upgrade. So currently we are using the free version of Postman, so we can upgrade to some paid version also. And here we have this drop down. From here we can create one free team, and also because this is one free account, so we have the limitations of APIs, we have the storage limitations, and here we have so many other links. So let's now see how we can create one workspace. So for this we have to click on the workspaces, and from here we can either search for any specific workspace or we can create one workspace. So we have to click on create workspace. So here we have different templates. So for now we're just gonna create one blank workspace and then click on next. And here we have to give one name to the workspace, so we're gonna call it users workspace. And here it says who can access your workspace, so we can set the visibility of our workspace, so we can make it personal, only the owner can see. Also we can make it private, we can make it partner, so with the team visibility, everyone from the team can view this workspace. And also we can make it public so that everyone on the internet can see that. So for now we're gonna make it public and then click on create, and this will create our workspace. So this is the UI of the workspace. So here you can see we have this header that we have talked earlier, and here we have this sidebar, so we can increase the size and decrease. And this is our main work area. This is also called the builder. Here we do all of the request and response, and at the bottom we have this status bar. So here in the header you can see we have so many different options. So let's just explore settings. So you have to click on settings and then click on settings. So here you can see we have so many settings we can customize. So first of all, under general, here we can modify the request, so we can have the response format detection. Either we can set it auto, we can make it JSON. So here we have the request timeout. So this is currently 0, so there will not be any timeout, so we can set any timeout in milliseconds. And after this we have the working directory, so we can set our working directory. And under this header, so here we can send no case header, we can have automatically follow redirect, we can have Postman token header. And under the user interface we can remove tabs, we can always open sidebar in the new tab. Also we can customize the 2-pane view. And then under the editor settings, here we can set our font size, so we can increase the font size, we can set the font family here. And under the application we can select the language, so currently this is English. And also we can set the autosave on or off. So here under the theme section we can select the system default, or we can make it lighter theme, we can make it dark theme. And here we have all the shortcuts that we can use. And then we have the data, we have add-on, certificate, proxy, and we can have about the Postman. So these are all the settings. So let's now talk about this sidebar. So here in the sidebar we have this name of our workspace, and then we have the collection, environment, history. And also we can configure the sidebar, so we can add so many, like we can add the APIs, we can add the monitors, we can add the mock servers, and all of these options will be added. So we can customize our sidebar, and also we can resize our sidebar, we can make it bigger and smaller. And let's now talk about the status bar. In the bottom we have the status bar. At the left you can see we can collapse our sidebar, or we can expand our sidebar. And then we have this online. So here it shows that we are in sync. That means all of our data in the workspace are backed on the server. And then we have the console, so we can open up our console from that button. And after that we have this runner, we have the cookies, trash. Here we can switch between 2-pane view and the single pane view. And after that we have this help section. So here we can download the desktop app. We can have access to the documentation, support, security, and so many other stuff. We can access the keyboard shortcuts. And let's now talk about this main working area, also called the builder. From here we can send get or post request with the URL. So here we can set the parameters and so many stuff. So this is our main working area. We can switch between 2-pane and the single pane view, so you can see the difference. So that is the basic overview of the Postman application. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.